Their life is not going too well. And that's why they're heading in your direction. They want to take everything that you've got. Some of you are in a happy state in your life right now. You've overcome a massive hurdle. You're taking care of yourself. You're looking good. People are telling you how fabulous you are doing. People are asking you, what do you use on your face to glow the way that you do? You've just changed your whole approach to life. You changed your diet. Some of you have moved cities. Some of you have moved countries. Some of you have gained a certification. Some of you have gained a degree. So you've got better job prospects now. Some of you are doing well in your career. Some of you travel and you post the countries that you have gone to. Some of you go to different restaurants. You're doing well. And there's someone that is not happy about this because they feel like they're not doing as well as you. There's a one-sided competition. This individual feels like you have it all. They may also feel like you have love. They may know of a love interest that is attracted to you. For some of you, you are married to an individual. For others of you, you could be this King of Cups. You could be at peace with yourself. Maybe in the past, you had certain patterns that were detrimental. Maybe you overindulged and now you've managed to keep these habits under control and you're looking great for it. For some of you, you are in a new relationship and not all of your boys are happy about it. You could be dating someone that is of a different background than you. Someone that you are deeply in love with. Someone that is an athlete. Someone that's a dancer. Someone that shows you a different way of life. Because they are focused on their goals, which made you focus on your goals. Because this individual wants you both to win together. This person invests in you. This person is in love with you. This person is equally as ambitious as you. For some of you, this individual wants to head towards you, to block someone making an investment. Maybe they feel like you're doing well in your career, so it's only a matter of time that someone will set their sights on you and want to help you. For others of you, I feel like someone is aware that there's a love interest around. You may have spoken about this person to this individual, and they can foresee that you and this person could have something serious, and it's breaking their heart. They feel like you are non-deserving because right now they feel very lonely and isolated. They feel very defensive. They feel very angry because of this new positive turn in your life. They feel like they've wasted a lot of time. They feel like they have to come towards you. They see you as very victorious, successful, abundant. And they want a part of your victory. Whether that means they block this love interest from coming towards you, talk you out of investing in your goals, your career, take you out so that you are around other love suitors, so that you forget about the person of your desire. For some of you, this person wants you to waste time. Come out with the boys, come out with the girls. You're acting boring now. They will try and guilt trip you. They will not want you to see how magnificent you really are. Because they see how much traction you gain They feel that you are in a new cycle of healing, self-love. They see that many people are drawn to you right now. Many people want to collaborate with you right now. This could be people from your group, club, organization, social media. You are in high demand. And this person is still trying to start something up and it's not working. They feel like they have to learn from you. And their fears are becoming a reality. Because remember I mentioned they were in secret competition with you, unbeknownst to some of you. And they're angry because in their view, they're supposed to be the leader. They're supposed to be the boss. You're supposed to be following them. And you're the type of person that wants everyone to win. And this person is very, very upset the way your life is transforming. And that's why they want to interject and cause tower moments in your life. And the reason why the tower card is in the reverse is because there's a lack of access that they can gain. Because what they do not know, they cannot destroy. And that's why they're building up with the resentment. And Spirit is saying, keep it that way. This person is refusing to go toward their new beginning. They have not closed out cycles of this Saturn in Pisces transit. They refuse to learn the lessons. And because they refuse to learn the lessons, they are facing a lot of karma right now. And so they are shocked that you are going into a new cycle, or that you have transformed your life in such a drastic way. Such a drastic way. And what's so disheartening is that this person or these people, they want to come back in and cause even more confusion, even though you've been through so much. Because their life is unbalanced, they want yours to be too. This could be family members for some of you. This could be someone that you thought was a friend. But you're heading towards your success. It's your time now. Some of you are going back to the gym, or some of you have gone to the gym for the first time and you're looking fabulous. Some of you are gaining muscle, gaining weight. Some of you are losing weight and you are shining. And these individuals are all up in their head. For some of you, these individuals could have been competing with you in regards to how you look physically. Maybe you are both on this weight journey together and they gave up and you continued. Some of you are going to run a marathon in the summer. And they are so all up in their head about your get up and go, your resilience. For some of you, they don't even want to be around you because the envy and jealousy is just too much to bear. So for some of you, this person ghosted some of you. Angry that you didn't give up on yourself. But the universe is only paying you back in kind what you sent out. Whatever you put in, you're getting it back. Whatever this person put in, they're getting it back. But they're still confused. And so they want to show up as being nice. But it's all a ploy to dissect and work out your routine, what you are going to do next, so that they can block it. Because they want you to stay stagnant and stuck the way you were before. Once upon a time, this person loves when you're in a low state. In their view, easier to control. These are the type of person that would know that you're in a tricky situation and refuse to help, and then gloat about their blessings as a way to stunt on you. This person tried to hide you. It's like they were in this race of being more successful than you in all areas of life. And their life is crumbling. So they look to you to try and destroy your foundations, but you are heading towards stability, financial freedom. And for some of you, a partner to share this with, because we got the Queen and the King of Pentacles. And even if you are financially independent on your own, you will have someone that will still want to invest in you. You have met your match, or you're about to collaborate with someone that is your match in regards to a romantic relationship, in regards to a business idea. This is your winning season. And this person knows it. And they're very determined to come and snatch it away from you. You or this person could be of the signs Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Aquarius, Aries, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith, as well as Cancer. Spirit is saying, keep doing you. Pay them no mind. Focus on what is important. And keep winning.